Welcome to yet another exciting episode of AI Climbing with Sheikh. In today's session, I will be giving you a sort of hands-on demo how you can improve the AI coding with a more like GitOps approach. It's quite a simple and trivial thing which I am gonna show you, but then if not done properly, you can get out of sync, difficulty in pushing, the branches are not, ahead behind because there are a lot of a sort of caveats there. You really need to keep your running branch ahead of the source one. In today's session, I will just give you a short demo of my chatbot, which I did with both GUI Streamlit front end and simple text interface. So pretty much if you go to the GitHub, can create a login, then you go to your repositories and you can create new one. I just want to show you with an existing one, so you can see over here, and when you create it, normally there is an option add readme supporting artifacts, and that's pretty much all. And once you are here, if you can click, you can get a URL and you can just copy it. You will be using it for the other part. And let me now go to your code. So look, you have this full data structure, different directories. So I will be primarily focusing on the NLP piece only. And the reason you are seeing this RM over here, because earlier I pushed another git, and then there were few tokens and other files which were making some conflict. So ultimately, you can consider each different code directory linked to a different GitHub. And you can, it's a good practice actually to reinitialize every time you are putting the right directory to the right GitHub. So you can use RMRF to forcefully delete all the .git initialize files. Then you can use the git init to initialize your git, which in this case will be NLP directory. And then you can add the remote, which in this case obviously is the destination, which is my GitHub. And then you can all the files in it and commit with a message and push, and that's pretty much all, right? The last thing which perhaps you need to just care that once you will do it one time, right? Later on, when you need to do it, right? Sometimes I have seen it do not works, and what it asks you is to do the git pull, right? So that's, I think, pretty much small and simple. I hope it will help you to manage your code properly. And thank you very much for joining this episode. If you are liking and think a value, don't forget to subscribe and become part of this movement. Thank you.